Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the first lecture of revision series for Economy and Finance MCQs. In this series, we are covering all the important current affairs related to economy and finance from August to January. This series will be helpful for upcoming RBI Grade B and SEBI Grade A examination. For this series, we have taken the news from Business Standard, Business Line, Economic Times and Live Mint. You can revise all your economy and finance current affairs with the help of this series. The first question is, which of the following sector is not the part of priority sector lending? The answer is aviation. Recently, Reserve Bank of India has assigned priority sector lending status to India's startup sector. It is very good move because Indian startups were struggling to get fund. RBI has revised the priority sector lending guidelines. They have included many sectors and they have broadened the scope of PSL. They have included startups and they have increased the limit for renewable energy. They have included solar power and compressed biogas plant. So this is really a good move because these sectors were struggling to get fund. They have also increased the target for the lending to the small and marginal farmers. These are the sectors for priority sector lendings. It is agriculture, MSME sector, export credit, education, housing, social infrastructure, renewable energy and startups. So you can keep these sectors in your mind because it can be asked in your examination. The next question is, which of the following ministry has released the report of the Committee on Business Responsibility Reporting? The answer is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Ministry of Corporate Affairs has released report of the Committee on Business Responsible Reporting. Gyaneshwar Kumar Singh is the chairman of this committee and he is a joint secretary at Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Ministry of Corporate Affairs has been taking various initiatives to ensure responsible business conduct by companies. They have issued a voluntary guidelines on corporate social responsibility in 2009 and they have also initiated many processes to ensure the good business practice. SEBI has also mandated for top 100 listed companies to file business responsibility report from environment, social and government's perspective. So these are the initiatives by government bodies to ensure good business practice and corporate governance. Educare 247 has multiple courses for SEBI Grade A examination. We have comprehensive course for SEBI Grade A 2020. We have MCQ course for SEBI Grade A 2020. It is for paper 2. We have crash course for SEBI Grade A. It is for phase 1 and phase 2. Here paper 2 descriptive English and GA of paper 1 is covered. Here only paper 2 is covered. In comprehensive course, we have covered the complete syllabus of paper 1, paper 2, descriptive English, everything. So according to your preparation stage, you can join the courses. You can use the coupon code SEBI to get the discount on comprehensive course and crash course. There is no discount on MCQ course because it is already discounted. The next question is, how much contingency buffer RBI has maintained in the year 2019-20? The answer is 5.5%. RBI Central Board approved a transfer of 57,000 crore as a surplus to central government for the accounting year 2019-20 and they have maintained the contingency buffer at 5.5%. This percentage is very important. Please keep in your mind, it can be asked in your examination. This decision was taken in 584th meeting of the Central Board and this board was chaired by RBI Governor Shaktikant Das. In budget 2020-21, government has said that they will take 60,000 crore as a dividend from central bank and this 57,000 crore is approximately the same amount. This push of RBI has come at the time of crisis because government is facing various fiscal deficit challenges. From April to June, government recorded the fiscal deficit of 6.62 lakh crore. So this is a very necessary step. This power RBI gets to transfer the surplus amount from RBI Act 1934. So that is also a very important fact. Please keep all this point in your mind because this is very important for your upcoming examination. The next question is, Utkarsh 2022 often seen in the news is related to which of the following? The answer is banking system. Basically, it is a 3-year roadmap plan of RBI to improve regulation, supervision and other function of the central bank. This plan is on the line of Global Central Bank Plan. So that is also very important. You please remember this word Utas 2022, and this is aligned with Global Central Bank Plan. It will help RBI to improve their regulatory and supervisory mechanism. The next question is, new arrangement to borrow, a funding mechanism recently seen in news, is related to which organization? The answer is International Monetary Fund. New arrangement to borrow is a fund mobilization arrangement of the IMF. Under this, the fund will be mobilized and additional fund will be given to the borrower and member country will lend under this fund. So this is very important initiative because at the time of COVID crisis, many countries are facing the financial problem. So this mechanism will help to get additional fund. The next question is, among the following acts, an enforcement directorate in India will be most concerned with which of the following act? The answer is Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Enforcement Directorate is a law enforcement agency and economic intelligence agency. They are responsible to fight the economic crime in India, and it works under Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance. The objective of this enforcement directorate is to enforce the two key important acts. First, the Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 and Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. So basically their function is to enforce these two acts and fight the economic crime in India. So this is very important agency under government. The next question is, Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance has launched the Sustainable Finance Collaborative with the collaboration of which of the following institute? The answer is UNDP. Recently, Department of Economic Affairs under Ministry of Finance has collaborated with United Nations Development Programme to launch the Sustainable Finance Collaborative, and this initiative was launched on 26th August 2020. There was a consultation held over the virtual platform to discuss what is the barrier to deploy new and innovative financing in India and what is the sustainable finance architecture in India, how India can get impact investing and green financing. So these were the discussion point. This may help to get impact investing and green financing in India. The next question is, under which section of the National Food Security Act 2013 government has included disabled people in the same act? The answer is section 38. Department of Food and Public Distribution has sent a letter to all the state government to include all eligible disabled person under National Food Security Act 2013. Section 38 of the act mandates the central government, they can direct the state government time to time for the effective implementation of the provision of this act. And section 10 of the National Food Security Act 2013 provides the coverage of the person under the Annadata Yojana. So basically these are the two important acts. Atmanirbhar Bharat package of Government of India is for the person those who are not the part of National Food Security Act or any state scheme or PDS card. So basically disabled people are not included in National Food Security Act and state scheme PDS card. That's why they have been included in this act. Disabled person without ration card are eligible for getting benefits under Atmanirbhar Bharat package. So this is the initiative for disabled people. The next question is, which of the following state has launched Jivansakthiyana for female entrepreneurs? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh government has launched this scheme to help the women entrepreneurs, and under this scheme 10 lakh mask has been made by the women entrepreneurs. This scheme has provided low cost mask to the citizen, and at the same time it has provided employment to the women entrepreneurs. At the time of crisis, this is very important scheme. Under this scheme, women of rural and urban area have become the self-reliant, because at the time of crisis many women entrepreneurs have lost their jobs and opportunities, and this scheme has helped them to grow. Under this scheme, government has made a payment of 1 crore 9 lakh rupees to the women entrepreneurs. So this is very important scheme to provide low cost mass to the citizen and employment to the women entrepreneurs. The next question is, which of the following body is responsible for implementation and the management of Ayushman Bharat and the National Digital Health Mission? The answer is National Health Authority. National Health Authority has recently released a draft health data management policy of the National Digital Health Mission in public domain for comments and feedback. National Health Authority is an apex body of Government of India. It is responsible for design, rollout and the implementation of Ayushman Bharat and National Digital Health Mission. Under this draft, it has been said that what will be the minimum standard for health data privacy protection. And the purpose of this draft is to create a national digital health ecosystem that will support universal health coverage in efficient, accessible, affordable, timely and safe manner. So this draft is very important for the implementation of universal health coverage, and basically it will build a national digital health ecosystem. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment and subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and happy learning.